Come with me as we walk around San Felipe Castle, Cartagena, Colombia. Let's go. No, gracias. Darn. Right now we are walking over to San Felipe Castle, a historic landmark in Cartagena, Colombia. Let's go, walking the real streets of Colombia. Just about to walk across the street over to this grand castle dating back hundreds of years. Beautiful old houses turned into now shops and cocktail bar. Lots of street sellers and aggressive street vendors here, so be aware. No, gracias. As you can see, you've got lots of street vendors. We're going to walk over and queue up to go up the San Felipe Castle. Lots of street vendors, be prepared. Hustle and bustle. Let's go. Now we're in a steep incline, so if you've got a full belly or you've had a few to drink, you'll probably just roll down it. But it's pretty amazing what you can see for history. Look at it, going back hundreds of years from when the Spanish had Cartagena, and then the Spanish gave Cartagena back. Cartagena gained its independence first from Spain. Let's go check out. Aggressive defence systems were incorporated to cut off the advance of the enemy to the fortified plaza. That's the British. 62 cannons of all calibres. It was the most important part of the defence of Cartagena de Indias. Fortified castle just to protect Cartagena back in the day. Look at it, the view now, how it's changed since all this history. Pretty magnificent, really.
Now we can go up there.
Cut at the peak in 1739 by the engineer Juan de Herrera y Sotomayor before the imminence of a war with England. Oh lovely, good old British Army, eh?
Por ahí ya pasamos los cisternas. Por ahí fue donde salió. Invierno para consumirlas en verano. Se acumula con piedra,
a la bandera.
Toman la foto y tiene más o menos 5 minutos que va a llover. Para que no la pueda la voy arriba y esto no es muy malo para ellos. Entran por allá y bajan por aquí, ¿les parece? ¿Tienes tu reloj?
por la Boca Chica. Ya cuando había llegado un señor llamado Don Blaster, ese el pata de Pablo de medio, hombre, allí recibió 18 días.
So let me tell you more about my experience here at Castillo San Felipe. The entrance fee was 27,000 pesos, which is about £4, £4.50 for non-Colombians. Entrance fee for Colombians with identification is 23,000 pesos, and for children it's 11,000 pesos. So working on the US, not the US, the British pound, at 5,900 pesos, it's about £2 for children, and you're talking about £3.50 for Colombians to enter the historic Castle San Felipe. Steep hills, lots of vendors selling things, lots of people wanting to take photos in different parts of the castle, getting the sights of Cartagena in the background. Ideal place to come. It's starting to rain, we've got a thunderstorm coming in, but yeah, it's somewhere I would highly recommend. Castillo San Felipe when you're in Cartagena. Hustle and bustle. Entrance just over there as you come in off the street. An Uber taxi ride here. I paid an once meal, which is 11,000 pesos from about 3 miles away. It's about £2. Ideal. I recommend using Uber. The yellow taxis, I got scammed the other night and had an argument with one of them. Didn't like it. He tried charging me double the price. I didn't like it. I soon slammed the door in his face. I don't like being ripped off, and scams here is very notorious. There's a lot of street sellers hustling you to buy, whether it's water. I know they got to make a living, but there's the right way about going about making a living, you know what I mean? And hustling you and trying to push you to buy a bottle of water or a piece of bloody ice cream or a piece of mango. Yeah, pack it in, mate. You know what I mean? I'm not interested. Que no entiendes? Why don't you understand? Is what I say. Again, experience wise, Uber, lots of different restaurants. We just had food in a restaurant for 3 people, children included, 1 child, including a drink, and a guanabana, like some sort of shake, fruit shake with milk. 55,000 pesos, which is just over £10 for 3 people to eat for a full meal. Crazy prices. Again, that is in sterling, British pounds. In a comparison, I know the peso has taken a bit of a hit, but for tourists and visitors, get your money's worth. It's a brilliant place to visit. It's hot. As I say, we've got a storm coming in, just in the background. An ideal day out, great views, great place. You have to take care of your things, look after your bags, look after your phone. Pickpockets are around, it does happen, but they're in London, they're everywhere, so you can't stop it. It's a thing that will always happen. It is now starting to piss it down, so I'm going to get inside before I get absolutely drenched, and more content to come. Peace out.